Luke, what are those letters?
L-U-K-E.
L-U-K-E. Do you know what that spells?
Father.
No, it's spelled Luke.
No. Color.
Purple. What are those letters?
No.
No, one time. L.
Goodness. Goodness. L-U-K-E.
L-U-K-E. Can you draw a rainbow?
Rainbow.
That's a beautiful rainbow. It almost looks like a circle.
Circle.
Hmm? What color is it?
Red.
It's red.
Orange.
That's orange. Yep.
Baby.
Yeah. Can you pick out the yellow crayon?
Yellow.
Where's the yellow crayon?
Huh?
Where's the yellow one?
Huh?
Can you give Mommy the yellow one?
Yellow.
Will you give Mommy the yellow one?
A button. Huh? No.
What color can Mommy have?
No.
No colors for Mommy?
Pink.
Can I have the pink one?
Color.
Thank you. Mommy color. I got the pink one.
No.
No. You gonna jump on Bear? Jump?
Bear.
Can you jump on Bear? Did you jump on Bear? Can you do a somersault on Bear? Yay! Whee! Luke jumped. Oh, 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 oh. Who were you calling on the phone? Yeah. Yeah, the phone's ringing. Say hello. Look at those little rashes. Night night, Luke. Wake up.
Up. Up. Turn on. Turn on.
We're gonna go take a bath in a minute.
No.
No. You gonna stay with Bear?
Okay.
You gonna make a phone call?
Call.
Who are you gonna call?
Push one.
Push 1. Push 2. Push 3. Is it ringing?
Push one. Push one.
Yeah, you pushed 1.
Push one.
Is Oma there? Hello? Are you really focused?
Focus.
Focused.
Outside.
Yeah?
Outside.
What? Who's outside?
Dee Dee.
Dee Dee's outside?